Yo, Mark over here. In this video, we're going to talk about my exit strategy for SHLL. Do I plan to sell? Do I plan to buy more? What's my game plan? Let's jump into this. Before we jump into this video, don't forget to smash on the like button. It really helps this video, helps other people see this content. And if you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I really appreciate it. Okay, let's get into this. So, what do I plan to do with my SHLL shares? Do I plan to buy more? Do I plan to sell them? When do I plan to sell them? So, I think it's good to have a game plan with the purchases that you make, when you're going to buy more. And so my initial game plan when I bought into SHLL, I bought around $16.19 over 2 days. I didn't want to go all in on a single day. So I had that space. I bought some shares. I saw that the stock jumped up and then it came back down. I want to buy more shares, and I would have bought more shares if the stock stayed in that range, but then it jumped up a lot. I went over 100% gains at one point, and now I'm probably sitting around 60 or 70% gains right now, and the stock might come down again. And if it comes down again, then I'll probably buy more shares and build that position. And the risk of doing what I'm saying is that, what if it never goes back down? Well, my plan here for buying more shares is that I'm fine with waiting till after the stock merges, and then some risk is off the table, and then actually the company starts to eventually grow after that and gets more foundation, and then I will be fine kind of dollar cost averaging into the company if I believe in it more and more and more. And I'm really excited about this company. I think it has a really bright future. I haven't been this excited about the stock probably since my favorite investment, and I'm still invested in it, Tesla, my biggest investment. So I'm pretty excited about this stock. And okay, so that's my buying strategy. And again, if it went down below $14, a share, I'm thinking to double my position. Okay, what about my exit strategy? So I do plan, at least right now, because I have a valuation in mind of where I think this company should be valued at. So I think this company, with hype right now, because I don't think that this company necessarily should be valued at my valuation, which is between $7 to $10 billion in market cap. I think that hype is going to help reach that point really fast. That's my kind of speculation on this SPAC stock. So I think that hype is going to help bring this up to 7 to 10 billion. So what price are we looking at then? So we do know that at $10 a share, it has a valuation of $1.5 billion. And this is kind of hard to find out the exact market cap because it's hard to see how many outstanding shares there are right now, but we do know $10 a share equals $1.5 billion. So with that, we kind of extrapolate a little bit with that. So if we were at $40 a share, that's a $6 billion company, doing some math there. So if we're at $45 or a little bit more than $45 a share, that's where I'm going to hit that $7 billion range in market cap. So ideally, I want to kind of 3x my position, which would get me closer to, let's say, $50 a share. And then I will sell probably my initial investment, which would be 25% of my shares, and let the rest just ride. And so that's my initial strategy if this stock just keeps going up, because then I do think there's gonna be a lot of fluctuation. So either the stock just continues to go up and then up and up and up, and then okay, then I'll just ride with that, or it comes back down and it goes to the place where I want to buy more shares. Or the other, again, it starts to eventually become more of the story starts to play out, it's the post-merger, and I'll just buy more shares consistently. So that's my strategy. Well, let me know what you guys think about this strategy. Are you guys invested in SHLL, or are you guys waiting till after the merger? Let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Man, one thing that I think is so undervalued in this company is the hybrid retrofit component of this company. And not for the fact that it's brilliant that you can retrofit every truck that's out there in existence, and that people and truckers love their trucks and they don't want to get a new truck necessarily, so you can just retrofit that, and the cost savings is amazing and how fast that is to basically pay for itself. But the really cool thing that I think that people are not talking about it that's really awesome is that once you have your foot in the door with these companies, let's say you get a lot of these companies just to buy your hybrid solution, you're instantly expanding your pipeline for your Hypertruck, and that they're going to be able to make new purchases and buy new sales, and that's just going to make the snowball roll faster and faster and faster. So just from a sales perspective, that is super exciting.